we bought this Ridgeline here in 2019, brand new, and we've brought it in a few times for service and a couple times for minor recalls, and the service has always been great, very fast and efficient. Everybody's super friendly, and they even wash the truck for us and send us on our way. Highly recommend the service department and the salespeople as well. It's been a great experience.
The other thing I like about the service here is while you're here, you get an email with the video of them doing the inspection on your vehicle and checking all the fluid levels and all the lights and brakes and everything. And that's actually sent to you via email. We do like coming back because of the service, and they do get us in almost always earlier than what they say they're going to, and it never takes as long as they say it's going to. We just like everything about it.
In fact, we're considering buying a new Honda Odyssey from this dealership.